You have submitted your application and then you were scheduled for interview. Kaya lang, kinakabahan ka. Ano ngayon ang gagawin mo? Don't worry because I have 3 super effective tips that help me and the others that I've coached when it comes to overcoming fear pagdating sa interview. Unang-una, accept. Accept the fact na ang pagpunta sa interview ay nakakakaba and it is a nerve-wracking experience. But did you know that the level of nervousness na mararamdaman natin sa isang bagay ay katumbas ng excitement as well? To turn that nervousness into excitement, paano? Huwag mo kasing isipin na magkakamali ka or mauutal ka during an interview. Rather than isipin mo na hindi ka papasa, isipin mo, papasa ka. Number 2, lalo kang kakabahan kapag memorize mo yung sagot mo. Kaya for the nth time, do not memorize your answer. Okay lang na mag-practice ka kung paano sumagot para mas maging confident ka. Pero tandaan na mas convincing ang sagot na galing dito kesa rito. And that will lead us to tip number 3. Always remind yourself to use the format called STAR. S-T-A-R. S for situation, T for tasks, actions taken for A, and the R for result. Remember that for every question, there is a possible situation or story na pwede mong gamitin like sa school, sa trabaho, pwedeng personal experience, sa bahay, and so on. And those situations can be used para mag-match at masagot mo yung tinanong sa'yo. Ka naniniwala? We can give it a try. Just comment an interview question na challenging para sa'yo and I will try my best to answer it for you. Follow for more!